Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel View Educator. Today we learn how to create a child theme. In this video, you will learn what is a child theme, critical reasons why we are using child theme, a step-by-step guide to build your first child theme from scratch, and safely customize your website without losing any updates. So let's start with the first, what is child theme? A child theme is a WordPress theme that inherits all features, design and functionality of another theme called parent theme. Why we are using it? You can safely customize your website, update wouldn't overwrite your changes, perfect for developers and beginners. Now let's create a child theme. To create a child theme, go to your website root folder, then WP content, themes. In themes folder, we create a new folder as extra child. You can assign whatever child theme name you want to give. Then in this child folder, we create a new file, style.css. In this style.css, we add some code where we mention a child theme name, then template, and then version. Must remember that in a template, you will write parent theme folder name. So over here we are using extra theme as a parent theme, and that parent theme folder name is extra, so we'll mention this parent theme folder name over here with case sensitive. So after this, save this file. Now create a one new file, functions.php. In this file we will add a code to enqueue parent themes style.css in our child theme, so it will get the parent theme styling in the child theme. Now save this file. Now let's check in the admin panel. Now go to the appearance, then themes. Over here you can see the child theme is appearing extra child, but right now it doesn't showing any screenshot. So if you want to add a new screenshot for this particular theme, then you can add screenshot.jpg file, and it must be a 1200 width and 900 height. But right now we doesn't have any separate screenshot, so we will use parent theme screenshot. So we copy this and paste in child directory. So now let's check again by refreshing this page. So now you see that screenshot is appearing for the child theme. So now let's activate this theme. Once you activate, so now our child theme is activated, and let's check the front end. It's working fine. So this is how we create a child theme. Now we focus on how we can customize our theme by using this child theme. Now let's learn how you can customize your theme after creating a child theme and activate the child theme. So now, for example, we need to add a text message or some heading after the header. So what we are doing, that we go to the child theme. Right now we doesn't have any header.php file in a child theme, so we go to the parent theme, copy header.php file, then as we save or copy this header.php as it is in child theme. Now over here we can do whatever customization we need to do with this particular file. So let's add one message over here for the testing. Okay, so now child theme customization, we are adding this heading in a header. So now go to the front end, refresh the page. So yes, over here it's appear the message in the header. Same, you can use any other template or any footer, whatever file you want to update. You just need to copy same file from the parent theme and copy in a child theme, and then start modification. So I hope you like this video. So please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. If you want more advanced video, please write write in comment, and we will create a new advanced video for you to learn WordPress. Thank you.